Hey guys, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. Happy almost Labor Day. Look, this is really short because I don't really have much to say. This sell-off continues. The market, there's just no real buyers here. So my suggestion is to trade what you see, not focus on seeing what you want to see. This market's under pressure. I have no idea whether we're going to see that. Golly gee, wouldn't it be nice? That's an inverse head and shoulder reversal pattern. Or if it's going to do this or anything in between. The point is, right now, the 200-day moving average is drifting lower. That's a market under broad selling pressure. 50-day moving average had been trending higher, but now give this another week or so and you're going to see this drifting lower as well, as long as the price stays under the 50. So this is a really, really bearish configuration right here, and I think it just bears caution. I have virtually nothing. I have one stock. I have a little Oxy, the ticker, not the drug. But I've got a little Oxy in my trading account, and that's it. And I've got a tight stop on that. Other than that, I'm just kind of waiting out the carnage. I suspect, or I suggest, that you do as well. The idea here is to be making money, not just lose less. You want to be making money in this market. And if you can't do that, or if you aren't doing that, then you need to change tactics. You need to do something different. And one of the things that you could do is just stop trading or really reduce your position size. Be very, very prudent in your entries. Don't trade just to trade. Don't get hyperactive trading. Just if you see something and it fits your criteria, work the trade. If it doesn't fit your criteria, the last thing you want to be doing is making an, I think I'll take a shot trade. That's not trading. That's just gambling with video games. So anyway, that's all I got for you. By the way, everybody's going to be getting an email sent. You'll probably get a couple of them over the weekend. I'm having a Labor Day sale on all of our products. And I've looked at some of these educational products. I wasn't the guy that was pricing them. It's the first time I've looked at them in quite a while. And I'm just letting you know, they are really, really low, way too low before the 25% discount. I'm also letting you know I will be changing the prices on those probably, the sale's going to last through Friday. It's going to last a week. After that, I'm going to go through and increase those prices. So they're not, and this isn't a, hey, for the next 50 callers, or it's a limited time offer. I'm just telling you what's happening. They're going to be on sale for a week. It's Friday I'm doing this. Next Friday, we're cutting it off. And after that, you watch and see. You take a snapshot of the page. I'm raising the prices from the typical price. All right. Have a good Labor Day.